looking, isn't it? Diesel. Diesel. You're silly. You talking to yourself?
Yes.
What's his name? Oh, it's a monster?
Mom, duck. Oh,
What is it?
if we poop.
You feel like you got poop?
Yes.
Okay, well, go ahead. You're not really doing anything except for being cute and playing with yourself.
Yeah.